Aloha everyone, I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we are going to work on the cutest table ever.
Once we've seen it, we said that it needs to have some mermaid tail on and some wood revealed, so we did just that, and good choice.
Good choice.
Good choice.
So let's get into it and show you guys the whole process, which is actually quite easy and simple.
Let's do it!
We first clean the table with white lightening Dixie Belle furniture cleaner, rinse it twice, and then we painted it. We are going to need a continuous mist bottle and a brush. I added water on the area I'm working on, I also damped the brush, and then I applied the paint, starting with the gorgeous mermaid tail. Then I wiped the paint of the carvings with a rag, and we just love so much the combination of mermaid tail and this dark wood. Our next color is Pure Ocean, and I applied it around mermaid tail and a bit over just to blend them a little bit, and of course I wiped the paint of the carvings. We added some kudzu as well, this gorgeous light green. We thought it will complete this color combination, and it's super pretty indeed. The next color is the Gulf, this pretty baby blue. The same, I applied it in between the carvings, wiped, but then I thought, what if I just do a dry brushing all over the flowers so I can give them like a lighter tint? And so I did that. I wiped the excess paint, and yeah, it's gorgeous. It's a bit lighter, just perfect. Exactly how we envisioned this table. Our last color is Peacock, this gorgeous bold blue. We just applied a tiny bit, and yeah, it just looks really nice in this combination to also have like a darker color in some spots. And I carried on working on the rest of the table. With the leftover paint I had on the brush, I did a bit of dry brushing on the table's edge, and now let's move working on the bottom part. Well, we will do the same process: water, paint, and wipe. It's really easy, and it looks stunning with that little bit of wood peeking through and these bold, lovely colors. I sealed the whole table with 3 layers of gator hide, a durable and water repellent sealer from Dixie Belle, and I let each coat to dry for about 2 hours. And this is the final result. How pretty this turned out. It's too cute. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in our next furniture tutorials. See you soon. Bye.